Hey guys, this is Margie, part 2, and you can see her crying. We went through a lot on this one because we found out that when she was 6 years old, she fell off a swing and hit her head on a rock. She started to lose her vision. They thought she had a subdermal hematoma. This is where it all came from. Remember, she came in because she slipped and fell when she was older. She had a herniated disc, carpal tunnel, neck pain, knee pain, wanted to do surgery. Can you believe that? Can't sleep. Found my channel and decided to come in and give me a try. She had given up. So we're testing her with her knee coming down the stairs. She had trouble going up and down stairs. We also trained her how to have better balance on the balance board here. Again, here are x-rays. You can see how bad they are. We adjusted her and you can see, went through a lot.
Wow.